Operations conducted by members of Public Order Policing Unit between Wednesday 15 October 2025 and Monday 20 October 2025 at Utugela and Ilembe District respectively resulted in the recovery of 4 unlicensed firearms, one of them being a homemade shotgun. On Monday 20 October 2025, members of Public Order Policing were conducting stop and search operations at INYONI policing precincts. A vehicle with 5 occupants was stopped, and upon searching it, a 9mm pistol with 9 rounds of ammunition was found underneath a seat, with none of the occupants in the vehicle admitting to the ownership of the firearm. All 5 suspects aged between 32 and 50 years old were arrested and charged with possession of unlicensed firearm and ammunition. The suspects will appear in the INYONI Magistrates Court today, Tuesday, 21 October 2025. The operations conducted on Wednesday, 15 October 2025, led the members to COLENSO, where they arrested Mrs. Fanisela Mdleche for being in possession of an unlicensed 9mm pistol with 7 rounds of ammunition. The next target was at Escort, where Kulegani Khoza was arrested for being in possession of an unlicensed shotgun. The last stop for the team was at INYONI at Amangwe Policing Precinct. They entered the homestead and announced their presence. As they waited for the response, the suspects shot at the members from inside the house. The members retaliated and the suspect was shot. The members found a homemade shotgun with 7 rounds of ammunition. The suspect was rushed to hospital, where he later succumbed to his injuries. The arrested suspects have appeared before the court and are currently out on bail. The recovered firearms will be taken for ballistic test to ascertain if they have not been used during commission of a crime.